Greetings everybody, it's 9:44 as I start this video. Um, I just got an urge to share this. Um, Still kind of early, Sunday. I still have my PJs on. I'm not even gonna hook you up. So, we're actually gonna just take a look at the screen. And I'm going to read it to you. This is one of the things that I woke up upon rising this morning, or this AM. Um, and this is a message from Lisa Nichols. We'll keep it there. I'm going to tell you what my grandmother once told me. Baby, other people's opinion of you, it ain't none of your business. That doesn't mean you don't care, but it means you got one job. Do you. I know that's right. You are a unique, unrepeatable miracle, and the moment you try to carbon copy somebody else, you're going to be a failure of yourself. So find out who you are. The path to purpose isn't always an easy one. Some people might criticize you and try to bring you down. You'll struggle with self-doubt and rethink your decisions. You'll come across haters, doubters, energy vampires. You'll come across people who will try to disrupt your energy. But at the end of the day, you have one job. Be yourself. Do what you feel called to do and fall madly in love with yourself. Why? Because the world sees you the way you see yourself. The world will love you the way you love yourself. And when you love yourself, and I mean really, love yourself. You don't allow external situations to shape how you feel, and you begin to live in joy and possibility. XO Lisa. Now, I added her last name, Lisa Nichols, because I shared it in quite a few places. But she also posted this quote: being unapologetic means I will be all of me. I will not change who I am for others to feel comfortable in my presence. And there you go. I love that. And I shared it on Telegram, on Instagram. I'm not sure. I think I shared it on Twitter. I'm pretty sure I shared it on Twitter. Let's just double check because I need to share it on Twitter if I did not. Um, but yes, yes, yes. Um, I love that. Be who you are. Like, everybody's not gonna like it. There will be things that you say or do, and people will disagree with it, and they may express to you that they disagree with it, and that's fine. They can disagree with it. They have that option. Um, that doesn't mean you have to change. As long as you're not doing it to hurt anyone and you're doing it out of love, I don't see the problem. Some people don't like that I say grand rising. I totally understand, but I'm going to keep saying it. But I'm not going to tell you not to say good morning, because I wouldn't do that, because that's not my place to judge you or criticize you for how you choose to show up in the world. But just because I chose to show up differently, I have that right, and I'm going to continue to pursue my right, right? So you don't have to like it. You don't have to say it because I said it. That doesn't make logical sense. Do you? Baby boo, do you. Do what you do. You don't have to repeat what somebody else does. Do you. Right? And be glad in it. And rejoice in it. And love yourself in it. Because I'm going to love myself. Okay? And that's not to be conceited. That's not to put anybody else down, make anybody feel bad. It's not about that. This is the way I love and the way that I show up in the universe, right? This is my expression. And I am free to express the way I see fit, right? As we all are. And that's self-love. Not listening to what other people have to say because they disagree. They have every right to disagree, and you have every right to stay the same. Again, as long as you're not hurting anybody. Now, if you're hurting somebody, maybe you might want to reconsider, because if you're, you know, being condescending or sarcastic and it's hurting other people's feelings. Not that you can't say how you feel, but maybe you should say it a different way. That's all. I love y'all, and I hope you enjoy this great Sunday that was created for you and I. Love y'all. Later.